Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to split and combine video clips in Filmora. First, open Filmora and import your video. So I'm gonna open the Filmora app and I am choosing the ratio as 6:9 and choosing new project. And here you have to import the video that you want to edit. So I'm choosing this video. And now you have to hold the left button from your mouse and drag it to the timeline. To split a video, place the playhead at the point where you want to make the split. Suppose I want to make the split here, so I'm placing the playhead here. After then, press the scissor icon or normally press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. So I'm pressing scissors icon here. Here you can see that the clip is now divided into two parts. If you want to split at multiple points, move the playhead to the next desired location and repeat the process. So I'm keeping it here and pressing on scissors icon or pressing Ctrl+B. I'm doing it repeatedly, so like this way. Okay, here you can see that there are so many parts here. Now you know how to split the video into multiple parts. Now we'll know how to combine video clips. To combine video clips, ensure that your clips are placed next to each other on the timeline. Make sure that there isn't any gap between them, like this way. If this happens, then you will see nothing here. For example, I'm going to delete this part, and trying to combine these three parts. So normally, if the clips are like this way, you have to place them like this order. Make sure that there isn't any gap between one another. And now, when you export the project, Filmora will seamlessly join them together as one continuous video. And that's it. Now you know how to split and combine video clips in Filmora. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and hit that like button for more real-time problem solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.